How to share Instagram post with multiple users at once. Now let's say we have seen this specific post that we truly like and we want to share this to our many friends on Instagram. Now all we have to do in order for us to share this specific Instagram post, let's say this one, with multiple users at once, is to click on this airplane like button right here. And once we tap on that, we are given an option to share this to our DMs. So all we have to do is to tap on the users that we want to share this Instagram post from right here. Let's say this one. We can select more than one if we want to. And then after that, we can also write a message alongside that specific post and then send the post to them or to their DM separately. Let's say right here. And if we go to our DMs, let's say right here, we can see that the post that we have sent to them is being shared to them right here. So that's how to share Instagram posts with multiple users at once. Hope we help.